Traders. Today I wanted to show you on how to trade on BTC USDT. So if you take a look at this time frame, we are in 1 hour time frame. Just take one time frame and trade. Don't be going anyhow because you are going to lose, because every time frame has its own way, has an own way of demand zone, has a different movement. So I just prepare to stay in 1 hour time frame. So let's dive into, but firstly like and subscribe on my channel. Okay, let's dive into. Firstly, you have to mark here, you have to look for like three touches. If you take a look at this, where we have one touch is here, one touch is here, three touches here. So what you have to do is to look for area like this, which is will be our support. You understand? Because any market and any movement, market is also looking for support where it will branch. So first thing you need to do here is to look for an area. This area is support, and once price break this environment, that means price will even come to this place before it will continue move up. But if you take a look at this, we are in sideways market. So what you need to understand is to mark this area like this as your support, which is, you can also call it your demand area. Yes, of course. So what you have to do is then you take your buying here, buying at this position. Your stop loss will be here in this environment. Then you mark your first take profit will be in this environment, which is here, which is here. It will be here. You understand? Why we choose to be here? Because you know one thing with market fee come from this place. If you say your take profit, you need to be up here. Yes, of course you can, but most of the time market from this place, as it come this place, market fee come back and continue going down. That's why any movement, we take our first profit here. Then after that place, then we will also look for this environment like this, which is another support. You understand? Which is another support. As market come this environment, what you needed to do, as market no break this area again, you know, break this area, we go small, then we still come back, the market would not break this area again. What you needed to do is to mark your area like this. We have to look for three touches again. Then our buying position will be in this place, because of the market not break this environment. Our stop loss will be here because we will take risks. Because market fee going down, continue going downtrend, we look for this place again. We mark this area, our take profit will be in this position again. Yes, our take profit will be here. Our entry will be here, because our stop loss will be here because we take risks to buy. Then what we have to do is to look for selling. Once price come to this a break, once price, but here if you take a look at here, 1 2 3, we have almost three touches. So what we have to do here is to wait for the test. When price retests in this environment like this, then we look for sell, set to this area, set to this area, we mark it like this. Once price still break it, maybe if price will break this environment, it will not retrace. it will just move directly to downtrend, because market will never give you the same opportunity. You understand? So this area, if you take a look at this area, this is our first move. Then we'll break this environment again. Just look at this chart. Once you look at this chart, you just look it. When you know how to do this analysis, you will like it, and every move you can just make profit on BTC. Just very easy but difficult to understand. What you have to do is to like on my channel and subscribe in case of next video if I drop it. Thank you very much. See you next time.